Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this Revit tutorial, I'm going to show you how to render like a pro in Revit using AI. In this case, I'm going to use a special plugin named as Evolve Lab Veras. You can get this from Google. In this website, you can download it as free. They have multiple subscription options. I'm going to use the trial version. You can use this for 15-day trial or free 30 free renderings. Now I will show you how to use this plugin. This is a Revit architectural sample file. I'm going to render this view. Go to Evolve Lab, then click Start. You need to log in if you are a new user. I already logged in. We have multiple options here. I'm going to turn on only this atmospheric view, then click Render. You can also use this prompt to get your desired kind of rendering. I will show you after this render. It takes some time. That's it. You can see this rendering. I will render using this prompt. I'm going to type Chinese model building, then click render. You can see this rendering. It looks nice, right? Then I'm going to type traditional building. Oh, sorry, old age building. Yeah, it's ready now. Now I'm going to type futuristic building. Then click render. You can see different renderings based on your main model. That's it. You can see this rendering it's perfect now. This one is a futuristic building model. Then this one is a old age building. Then Chinese building. This one is without any prompt. I'm going to try another one like American model building. Then click render. That's it. You can use this to render in a different way if you want. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.